Hello, third graders, and welcome. We are going to learn all about Alaska today, which, believe it or not, is located in the western region of the United States. So if you look right here, this is the United States map, and right now I do not see Alaska at all. But you have to scroll all the way up, and you will see Alaska is way up here. Looks like it should be in Canada, but it's actually in the United States. So here's some great information all about Alaska. It is actually the largest state in the United States. And you can see there it is. And it's not connected to the United States exactly. It's connected to Canada. And you can see that it's very, very, very close to Russia. Some things about the geography of Alaska. It's divided into 5 land regions. These areas are the Panhandle, the South Central, the Alaska Peninsula, the Interior, and the Arctic. There's a lot of mountains and forest. It includes islands. And Mount McKinley is the highest point in North America. So that is pretty impressive. And since you're very, very up north, you're very, very close to the Arctic Ocean, which you can see right here. So it's really cold. One thing that's interesting is that we might think that Alaska has just cold weather, but it actually receives all kind. The interior part of Alaska, the insides, it actually has warm summers and cold winters. However, as soon as you get closer and closer up to the Arctic, it's very cold and dry up there. The average temperature in January is 5 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really, really cold. But the average temperature in July is 55 degrees, which is not that bad. Some important landmarks. This looks very interesting. This is Ketchikan. How do you pronounce that?
Ketchikan. Ketchikan in southern.
So, those are some totem poles, and that reflects the Native Americans. The Denali National Park. You can see Mount McKinley. There's tons of wild animals, glaciers. So that looks very beautiful. The Yukon River. It's the longest river in the United States, or the third longest river in the United States. There's some dog sledding, the Iditarod National Historic Trail. So Alaska is really beautiful, and it's a great part of the western region. So if you would like to learn more about Alaska, you can continue searching through the site. It tells all about the people, the industry that they do. There's some videos, some fast facts, things about the history. So you can still learn a lot more.